So I'm going to show you how to switch the sound settings from the silicone ear tips to the foam ear tips sound settings on the app. So simply launch the JBL headphones app, and then at the top of that page, now that's after, of course, of updating everything. Make sure you're running the latest firmware updates on both the case and the earbuds. You should see this option, ear tip sound settings. So you need to open up the case of your earbuds. Now, once you open up the case and they connect to your phone, you can see the app and you can switch between foam ear tips settings and the silicone ear tip settings. Now, every time you do that, the app is going to restart. So I've just switched from from foam to silicone. I'm going to allow the app to restart just because I have the silicone ear tips. And now you can see the silicone ear tips is selected. Okay. Now it's going to be different sound settings for both foam and silicone ear tips. Right. Thanks for watching and good luck.